Okay, so you have this question, then of course you want to actually use the BODMAS, the method of BODMAS or the rule of BODMAS to actually solve this. And of course, in case you've forgotten, B here actually represents bracket, and of course O here means off, and this off can also mean power off. Okay, and then of course the D here means division. Okay, and of course M is multiplication, and A is addition, and X is subtraction. This is actually a rule that guides you on which operation to actually perform before the other. And then of course in the question we are having right here, you can see that there are so many of these operations here that is contained in this. So which one are you actually going to be evaluating before the other? One can actually use the method of solving this side first, and then of course solving this side. So someone can actually solve this to be 6 power 2, and that's actually going to be 36 divided by, so 2 times 3 here will be equal to 6 plus 2. So without applying the rule of BODMAS, one can actually proceed to simplify this as 36 divided by 6 plus 4 here will be equal to 10. And then of course when you simplify this, you're actually going to be having 3.6. but is that actually the correct answer? But then if you want to make use of the rule of BODMAS, the first thing we're supposed to do is actually to simplify the bracket if it is contained in the question, and then afterwards we simplify this of our exponent, and then followed by division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So you can see here that we have some bracket over here, so we can actually go ahead to simplify that. So we're going to be having 6 power 2, and then of course divided by, if we simplify this, we're going to be having 2 times 3, and that is equal to 6. Okay, so I'm going to keep other items as they are. Next, I can actually simplify off here, which in this case is this power of. So 6 power 2 is 36. Okay, divided by 6 plus 4. So next, you can see here that we have division, and then we also have addition. But in this BODMAS rule, you can see that this division comes before addition. So I'm actually going to go ahead to simplify these two. So I'm going to be having 36, okay, and then divided by 6, okay, and then of course I'll keep the rest as it is, so that when I divide this, I'm going to be having 6 plus 4, and eventually we can go ahead to simplify this addition, which of course will give us equal to 10. Okay, so the solution to this problem is actually 10. That is, if you use the BODMAS rule, it is pretty much good if you understand how to apply the rule of BODMAS to solve math problem. It actually tells you which operation to perform first, and of course it's actually going to make your work easier, and then of course ensure more accurate solution. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.